Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Mona Khan, and I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but I was very busy. I was so caught up in everything that was going on in my life, and I just could not take out the time to film, edit, and then post a video on YouTube. I'm really sorry for that, but this time I plan on being very consistent. So in today's video, I'll be sharing the things that I got for my birthday. I asked you guys on Instagram that whether you guys would be interested in seeing the things that I got for my birthday or not, and every one of you said yes. So here it is. I am showing you guys what I got for my birthday. And I want to give out a quick disclaimer that this video is not a show off. I'm not trying to brag about the things that I got. It's just my way of sharing my happiness with you guys. I want to show you guys whatever I got for my birthday. I am not trying to show off or brag in any way, shape or form. So I wanted to make that point very clear from the first go. So that was all that I wanted to say. Now let's get started with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe. And if you enjoy watching the video that you're watching right now, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world to me.
Yeah.
Birthdays are really special, and I like to pamper myself on my special day by gifting myself some things that I would enjoy using or I love purchasing. So I'll start off with the things that I gifted to myself first. I want to put out another disclaimer, and that is I won't be disclosing any prices because all of these are gifts and I don't want to disclose the prices of any of the gifts. So the first thing that I got for myself is this watch. This is a Guess watch. This is what the box looks like. I don't know why, but this plastic or the material on top is coming off from this side. Other than that, this is what the box looks like. It opens like this, and this is the watch. I have already started wearing the watch, and this is what the watch looks like. I wanted a pure gold watch for my birthday, and this is what it looks like. The watch has glitter inside the dial, and the monogram or the branding of the brand is done in animal print. The sides are lined with rhinestones, and I loved how this watch looks. It's pure gold, and I wanted a pure gold watch, and the dial is a little bigger than the usual watches, and this is exactly how I wanted my watch to be. So this is how it looks. So this was my first gift to myself. The second thing that I got for myself is this Bath and Body Works fragrance mist, and this is in the variant 1000 wishes. And I don't think I need to explain how much I love perfumes, fragrances and just smelling good in general. So I had to get a perfume or a fragrance on my birthday. Last year I think I got the Versace Yellow Diamond perfume, but this year I did not want to invest in a perfume, so I went for this fragrance mist instead, and I love how it smells. It's fruity and it's just the way I like it. I really love fruity and fresh fragrances. I don't really like flowery fragrances, so this is right up my alley, and I love how this smells. So why not spray it a little right now? So this is the second gift that I got for myself. Coming to the third thing that I got for myself, it's this very pretty emerald green hand purse. I really wanted to get a quirky bag, and the shape of this bag is absolutely stunning. It's very different. You usually would not see a bag shaped like this. This is a handbag, and it also comes with a sling, I guess. Yes, it also comes with a sling, but I don't usually use it with a sling. I use it just like this in my hands, and this is what it looks like. The color is very beautiful and very unique. It's a very nice emerald green shade, and this is from the brand Allen Solly. So this is what it looks like, and this is the third thing that I gifted for myself. Now these are all the things that I got for myself. Now let's jump into the things that I got from my loved ones. My elder sister gifted me this bag right here. This bag is from Forever Glam. This is a sling bag which looks like this, and you can also adjust the straps and make it a double strap like this and use it as a shoulder bag. I really wanted to get a black bag with gold detailing, so this was the perfect one, and the moment I saw it I just had to get it. I could not stop myself from getting it. This is what it looks like. This is a black bag. This is a medium sized bag. It's not very small and it's not very large as well. So this is the bag and it has gold detailing. This is by the brand Forever Glam. So this was the first thing that my elder sister gifted me. The second thing that my elder sister gifted me is this sari right here. This is a baby pink colored all over sequin sari. Hold on, let me just open it and show it to you. So this is what the sari looks like. This is a baby pink colored all over sequin sari, and what can I say, I love it. This kind of is a lookalike of the Manish Malhotra saris that are so famous. So my sister kind of fulfilled my wishes. I wanted this for a long time and my sister got it for me. So this was the second and the last gift that my elder sister gifted me. My would-be brother-in-law or my would-be Jiju gifted me some products from Sugar Cosmetics. So I got this Sugar Contour de Force mini highlighter in the shade Royal Rose, and this is what it looks like. I'll swatch it very quickly for you guys. So this is what the highlighter looks like. This is the first thing that my would-be brother-in-law, I'll just call him Jiju, that's, you know, shorter, gifted me. So this is what the highlighter looks like, and it's the Contour de Force mini highlighter in the shade Royal Rose. I haven't really tried these sugar products a lot as of now, but if you guys would like to see reviews on these makeup products, then please let me know in the comments down below. The next product that I got is the Contour de Force mini bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder, and this is what it looks like. The camera isn't picking up the shade quite nicely. I'll swatch it. I don't think you will be able to see it, but bronzer doesn't really swatch that good, but I have tried it on my birthday itself and it worked pretty good. I am not sure if I like it or not, but it did work. I don't know if it's my favorite or not. I have to try it for a longer period of time to know if I like it or not. So yeah, that's that. This is the bronzer that I got. Next up, I got the Sugar Set the Tone tinted powder. This is a loose powder and I got the shade 10 Latte. I'll show you guys the packaging. So this is what the loose powder looks like. It's very similar to the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder packaging. The best part is that it comes with a very teeny tiny puff. I have used this powder once or twice, but I don't know whether I like it or not. I'll again have to try it out for a longer period of time to know if I like it or not. So this was the third thing that my Jiju got me. Now, because I shopped quite some products, Sugar very generously gave me a free product, and it's this lip kit right here. It consisted of 4 mini liquid lipsticks, and I don't know why, but I have only one liquid lipstick remaining in this box and I don't know where the other 3 are. I might have lost them somewhere because these are so tiny, they get lost, you know, like this. So I don't know where the other 3 are, but this is the one that is remaining in it. I'm not going to swatch it right now, otherwise this video would be very long. So these are the things that my brother-in-law or my would-be brother-in-law gifted me. My maternal uncle gifted me this handbag right here. This is a lemon and pepper handbag. And what can I say about this handbag? I've been obsessed with this handbag. I've been using this non-stop without a fail. It's so comfortable to use and it looks so chic. It's a snake print, I think. Yeah, it's a snake print handbag and it has this beautiful buckle detailing over here, and I think this is a satchel. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, this is a satchel and this is how it opens. It has a lot of space inside. I'm currently using this, so there is some cash and stuff inside it. And it also comes with a sling, but I like to use it as a handbag because I prefer using my bags as a handbag. So this is what it looks like. My maternal uncle also gave me some cash, but I'm not going to include that over here. And this is the other thing that he gifted me. We have pretty much come to the end of the video. The last and the most exciting thing that I got for my birthday is this purse from Charles and Keith, and my mother very generously gifted this to me. This bag opens from both the sides. It opens like this from this side, and I have the sling right here. I haven't used this bag at all. I have not used it for a single time also. And on this end it opens like this, and it has quite some storage. I haven't used it as I told you, but I just love it. It looks so gorgeous. It's a very pretty tan color and has the snake print detail on the top. And this is probably my first high-end bag and I'm so excited. And the watch also is my first high-end watch and I cannot be happier. So this is the last thing that I got for my birthday. Actually, this is not the last thing that I got for my birthday. Harsh gifted me the ring light with which I'm shooting right now. I was thinking of buying a ring light for a very long time, almost 6 months maybe, but I never ended up buying it. So on my birthday, Harsh gifted me this ring light along with the tripod stand, and I'm shooting with that ring light only right now. So I cannot really show it to you, but I'll insert a quick video of the ring light. It's an 18-inch Digitech ring light and it's the professional one. I had the cheap Amazon ring lights previously, but they just did not do it for me. The quality was very bad. So this time Harsh got me the full-blown professional ring light, and he also gave me a 9-foot tripod stand with it, I believe. So this is my last gift that Harsh got me, and it's very special to me. And this ring light will help me out a lot both in my YouTube career and also in my makeup artist career. So I'm so thankful for it. And these are the things that I got for my birthday. Apart from this, I also got a lot of chocolates and I got some cash from my grandmother and other relatives. So I'm not going to include that right here, but these are the gifts that I got for my birthday apart from cash and chocolate. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching the video. Again, I want to make it very clear that I wasn't trying to show off or brag by showing you guys these products, but these are all the things that I got for my birthday. Yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching this video, and let me know in the comments down below what else would you guys like to see from my end. So until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.